Hey there, Dave and Kim here in Hua Hin, Thailand. About 4 or 5 months ago, I was introduced to a new dish, a new Thai dish that I hadn't had before. And it's kind of crazy because it's a very popular dish. It's called Khao Soi. I'm gonna put the name of it right here. And if you've never had Khao Soi and you've been in Thailand, you should get Khao Soi. It's a creamy coconut yellow curry soup type dish, noodle dish. And it is absolutely amazing. It comes from the Chiang Mai, Northern Thailand region. And they have an amazing Khao Soi restaurant right here in Hua Hin on Soi 102. Ironically, not very far from our favorite restaurant, Somtam Jay Fuang, which we're going to tomorrow, but we're not going to share it with you. We're going to meet like 10 of our friends there tomorrow for lunch. But today, I want to share with you this. I've only eaten here one time, and it was amazing. And we were just up in Chiang Mai a couple weeks ago, and we had it up there, and it was amazing. So really looking forward to sharing this with you. And got anything to say, Kim?
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. So I'll show you what it looks like here. There's the sign up there, Khao Soi at Hua Hin. And here's what the restaurant looks like here. So really cool, wooden style. As usual, let me show you the menu. While we're waiting for our food, I'm gonna actually walk back outside, show you what it looks like out there, and walk in and show you how nice it is in here. Sound good, Kim?
Yep.
So they have outside seating, and it is starting to warm up here a little bit, so nobody chose to sit outside today. But they have outside seating, and they have 2 sides of inside seating. So as it gets busier, they can utilize this side as well. So they've got seating in here for bigger parties, and then I'll walk back around and show you the inside. There's people in there. I don't like to put cameras in people's faces and stuff, but I'll show you real quick and then sit down and get back with Kim. So that's what it looks like in here. And they're super friendly here, obviously. So Kim,
Yeah.
What did they bring to the table while I was gone?
Okay, so you've got your fixins here. So when you have Khao Soi, you want to add, some onions. You've got this pickled
Onions? Pickled onions or pickled cabbages?
cabbage or something here.
Celeries?
And then you can adjust your spiciness with chili paste.
Cool. So we each ordered a crispy chicken Khao Soi, ordered some spring rolls, and ordered some garlic bread. And there's our garlic bread. What's that?
Spring rolls.
Cool. Look at the nice presentation.
Aren't
Super
they
cool.
cute?
Yep. So our Khao Soi, crispy chicken Khao Soi has arrived. I'm gonna let Kim mix hers up a little bit to show you what's in there.
Look at.
Dig down deep. And the sauce is so.
So you have soft noodles and you have your crispy noodles on top, and we have the crispy chicken versus the chicken leg, which they do serve like boiled.
And I've had the chicken leg both other times that I've had Khao Soi, and it was so good.
Very good.
Thanks for sharing, Kim.
Yeah. Bet.
Thought it'd be a good idea to share what's in there.
So so they have the soft noodles in the bottom, and they topped it with the crispy noodles. And then I added, of course, all the middle stuff here that we showed you earlier. We put the onions in there and the pickled garnish, and then we also got some limes. We put a little lime on top, and it is so tasty.
And the garlic bread tastes, maybe the garlic bread isn't made for it, but it sure tastes good.
When you dunk this and all the butter mixes with the coconut juice, it's so good.
Would you come back here?
Oh, of course. My second time here, and I'll come back here again too.
Would you give this 10 out of 10?
Yep.
Thumbs up.
Absolutely.
Wait till you guys hear what we paid. We'll save that for you for a couple minutes after we're done eating. Oh, look at Kim eat. Eats like an American. So let me show you what I thought of it. 1 second. If I had another piece of bread, our bowl would be perfectly dry and clean. They wouldn't even have to wash it when we were done. But what do you think?
So good.
So
this
good.
is the small size.
Oh, yeah.
There's a bigger size you can get, but honestly, it's so rich with the coconut milk. You probably a small coconut.
I am so glad you mentioned that, Kim. I forgot that we ordered smalls.
Yeah.
So I just looked at Kim's bowl, and she did not like hers as much as I like mine, obviously.
So full.
You don't like it?
Oh, I loved it. It's so good.